and welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing some maintenance. This client is 5 months into her journey. She got microloc twist. She has loose ends, not by choice, but her hair, that's how it's doing its thing right now. We're just going with the flow. You'll see in this video that I like to switch tools a few times throughout retying someone's hair. It really depends on the person's hair texture. That helps me pick what tool to use, because sometimes other tools can be more comfortable and not as painful, and then things can be quicker, as well as my hands can be happier. So we get through her reties about 2.5 hours, if that. It may be a little less, and that's my good girlfriend. Now towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you that one of her locks has a hole in it at the top, and I'm going to show you how I fix those things. So if you stay until then, let me know if you have any questions about that process. I'm going to stop talking now and let you watch as I finesse, okay? let's first chat about why holes happen. Now, sometimes holes are inevitable, especially in the beginning of your journey. When you do a 2-strand twist, you're taking two pieces of hair and twisting them together. As they decide to lock, some areas of your lock, that twist might lock earlier than others, and then that might leave a hole. Blase, blase, blase. It's really not that deep. Now, with that being said, there are some bad situations with holes, which someone retied the same way too many times, and now it's too tight that it can't be corrected. Some mistakes happen. So I think it's important to not only try to avoid those mistakes, but also know how to fix them if they happen, because some things happen without us even really trying to make them happen. So you'll see this hole I have right here. Maybe I retied a few times, maybe I didn't, who knows? But this is how I fix them. I just like to take a different tool and I just close that hole right on up. So you'll see me do that. If you have any questions, let me know below.